In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code snippets directly to your Trello card descriptions. If you ever find yourself pasting code into Trello and losing all the formatting, this will make your life much easier. By the end, you'll know how to add a properly formatted, syntax highlighted code block right inside a card's description, so your team can read and reuse it without confusion. Start by opening your Trello board and selecting the card you want to work with. Pick the card where the code belongs. Maybe it's a bug report, a task for a feature, or a documentation card. Make sure you have permission to edit the card so you can update its description. Next, click into the description area of the card. This is the big text box where you typically add details. When you click inside, Trello's editor toolbar appears, giving you formatting options like bold, links, and more. We'll use that toolbar to add a code block the right way. On the editor toolbar, look for the small plus icon. It opens a menu of insert options that go beyond basic text formatting. Click that plus icon to reveal the items you can add to your description. From the menu, choose Code Snippet. This tells Trello you want a dedicated code block. It adds a special section with a monospaced font and preserves line breaks and indentation, which is essential for readability. It also enables syntax highlighting when a language is set, which makes scanning and reviewing code much faster. Inside the Code Snippet panel, click Select Language. This lets Trello know how to color and format your snippet. Picking the correct language dramatically improves clarity, especially for longer fragments. Now, select the language that matches your snippet: JavaScript, Python, HTML, CSS, SQL, or whatever you're using. If you don't see an exact match, choose the closest option. Even a related language often provides helpful highlighting. Finally, add your code. You can type directly or paste from your editor. Keep the original indentation and include only what's relevant to the task so teammates can grasp it quickly. Multi-line snippets are supported, so don't worry about length, but consider adding a short plain text note above or below the snippet in the description to explain what it does or how to run it. That context saves time for reviewers and future you. That's all it takes. You've selected the card, opened the description, used the plus icon to insert a code snippet, set the language, and added your code. With this approach, your Trello descriptions stay clean, readable, and collaboration ready.